Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start or scale your online business, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 5 game-changing AI tools that can save you time, money, and effort while helping you grow your business faster than ever. But first, if you are new here, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You can also download my free AI checklist below. Now let's dive in. First up, we have Go High Level. This all-in-one platform is a game changer for entrepreneurs who want to automate their marketing, sales, and customer management. With Go High Level, you can create landing pages, email campaigns, and even automate your entire sales funnel. It's perfect for agencies, coaches, and anyone running an online business. The best part, it replaces multiple tools like ClickFunnels, HubSpot, and MailChimp, saving you hundreds of dollars a month. If you're serious about scaling, this is a must-have. Next, let's talk about Spotter Studio. If you're in the content creation space, this tool is a lifesaver. Spotter Studio uses AI to help you find trending topics, keywords, and even viral content ideas for your niche. It's like having a research assistant that works 24/7. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, or social media influencer, Spotter Studio ensures you're always creating content that resonates with your audience and drives traffic. Trust me, this tool will save you hours of research. Now, let's move on to Syllabi. If you've ever struggled with creating consistent content, this tool is for you. It uses AI to generate content ideas, scripts, and even social media posts tailored to your niche. It's perfect for entrepreneurs who want to stay active on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn without spending hours brainstorming. Now you can focus on growing your business while the AI handles the content creation. It's a total game changer for busy entrepreneurs. Up next is 11 Labs. If you've ever wanted to add professional voiceovers to your videos, podcasts, or ads, this tool is a must-try. It uses AI to generate ultra-realistic voiceovers in multiple languages and accents. You can even customize the tone and style to match your brand. The best part? It's incredibly affordable compared to hiring voice actors. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, online courses, or social media ads, 11 Labs will take your content to the next level. Finally, we have ManyChat. If you're not using chatbots to automate your customer interactions, you're leaving money on the table. It's an AI-powered chatbot platform that integrates with Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. You can use it to answer customer questions, book appointments, and even sell products, all on autopilot. It's perfect for e-commerce stores, service-based businesses, and anyone looking to improve their customer experience. Plus, it's super easy to set up, even if you're not tech-savvy. And there you have it, 5 game-changing AI tools to start or scale your online business in 2025. From automating your marketing with Go High Level to creating viral content with Spotter Studio, these tools will save you time, money, and effort. You can get my free AI checklist in the link below. You can also add your YouTube channel in the comments. Let's help each other out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money with AI. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.